Okay, so I'm going to try and recreate the issue many of us have had with the assignment 6, and if I'm unable to create the issue, well, maybe this video, if you follow it step by step, will solve whatever the issue was. I'm also having IT investigate it as well in case it has something to do with user permissions, with me being a faculty member and you being a student, but I believe there were some students that were successfully able to do this. So one thing I'll point out here is I've already done this is I downloaded the 3 pad stacks that we're going to use here. And I've gone ahead to the let me in and done the virtual labs, but I haven't launched a portal yet. Okay, so I'm launching now. Okay. So it looks like there might be something here already from a last session, but I'm going to just delete a couple things here from the desktop. You shouldn't have to do that. I'm just doing it for myself. So then I'm going to do file upload. I'm going to go to where I downloaded these files. Okay, it's done the first one. Do the second one. And do the third one. And then I'll open my little browser here. Go to my desktop, and I can see those 3 here that were downloaded. So I'm going to select those 3. I'm going to just do a cut and paste to the U drive, Cadence pad stacks. So I'm going to throw those into there. And then I'm going to start the PCB Editor. Now we're waiting for the PCB Editor to start. And just waiting patiently. I've got people talking in my ear right now because I'm technically in a meeting. I'm being, the awful thing of trying to do 2 things at once. So then we've got to continue to wait. Says not responding, but I want to be patient here. And that's a message about something in the meeting. Okay, I'm giving up on that. I'm going to try and relaunch it through the Move it off to the side here. Isn't this exciting, waiting for this to launch here? I'm going to pause the recording. All right, it finally opened up for me. So before I even go to a file new, I'm going to go to my setup user preferences, my paths, library, pad path. I'm going to actually just delete that pad path out there. That sometimes helps some of these issues. Then I'm going to do a new, insert, cadence, and then pad stacks. So cadence pad stacks, click OK, hit apply, click OK. And I know for many of you, you weren't even able to get that far. So I've tried to recreate the error that you've had, and I was unable to do it. So I just want to show you, though, that I'm not even going to put this. Let me just put this in the U drive. And I'm just going to do test here because I'm not really going to do a one from the assignment. I just want to go through again. Load my template and hit next all the way till I get to choose a pad stack, and you'll see that the 5 pad stacks that we have, 2 of them are from a homework assignment that I did previously, or actually probably wasn't homework, it was probably demonstration for class. And then the ones that I downloaded, so then / uploaded into a Porto are there. And so I can choose that one, and I'll just go to finish. I have no idea if that's the right hole to be using or not, but but I just want to go and show you that, I now have a finished footprint here that I could save. Clearly it's not what the assignment was, but it is something. So I'm going to upload this video, and as I said, I will also have IT investigate the issue as well, but please try this again and let me know if you have any issues with this, and please make sure to follow the steps precisely. Also remember that I have added Kat Stafford as someone you can contact to get additional help with anything in this course. She's our lab assistant.